with you my Stitch Fix that I got for autumn. I get it 4 times a year, you know, for the season. So this is my autumn package. And what I love about Stitch Fix is it comes with a return bag, so whatever I don't like or doesn't fit, I could just send it back. There is a fee, a styling fee. I think it's $20, and that goes towards your bill. Okay, so here we go. Okay, the first thing is a pair of jeans, and they're like cranberry. Okay, so I think Market and Spruce. I like them. I like the color. I think it's nice for the season. And the price is here. This is the skinny pant is $78. Okay, so we're gonna try them on, and we'll see. The next thing is, it's like a mustard cardigan. Let's see. I need help. Okay. Which is, it has like, comes to a point over here. Nice, soft. I like the color too. It's very autumny, fall. And this is by Mix. So the Mix is the mustard. It's $38. I think it could go with a couple of other things, like maybe with a dress or dungarees. This one is now, oh, this is a dress. Hawthorne. It's nice. Has pockets, long sleeves. It's like a little flare on the bottom. So the dress is, what is this by? Hawthorne too. The dress, it's a jacquard knit dress, navy, $74. Now, if I buy the whole deal, I'm gonna get like a discount. I'll tell you what the discount is at the end. The next item is looks like a top. I like it. It's nice, soft. Ooh. This could go with a skirt or jeans or slacks. Great for work. That is color block, $38. Okay, and the last but not least is another top, Mason Bell, and it's got a little smocking over here. See, it's smocked. I don't know if you could tell, you could see it, which I like. And it has a little detail of a little fringe. That's cute. So this is a great color. Also for autumn, it's an autumn color. And this Mason and Bell is $44. So the whole thing comes out to $272. With the discount, if I take everything, I get a discount of 25%, which would be $68. And so that would go down to $204. And I had a promo of $49, and I can't remember for the life of me where I got it from, unless I got it from my daughter. I don't know. And the shipping is free. So what? Your Style Pass membership. Oh, because I joined the membership. So shipping is free, and I also got a credit of $50. So the whole total, if I keep everything, would be $155. And that's, That's not too bad. So that's my Stitch Fix for autumn. And I can't wait to try these on. And I have a feeling that I'm going to keep them all because... God. Oh, Lord. I'm a sucker for its good deal. My camera fell. This is real life, you know. This is real. I'm going to let it go like this, too. So anyway, wishing you a great day. And take a look at Stitch Fix. It's, I like it. And it's also, they have one for men, too. Okay, have a great day.